Our first example is called a kinetic poem. It's written by Robert Kendall in 2002, so it's quite recent. It's called Faith, an expanding multiverse in 5 movements. To begin, we press Begin. So quite early on, we see that there's an opposition being set up between the word logic and between the word faith. First, by bouncing the word logic off of the word faith, but additionally in the text, logic can't bend this. There's a further way that this opposition is set up, using the typeface. So faith has a very ornate typeface, but logic has a sans serif font, which has been stripped of all but its basic distinguishing characteristics. To proceed to the next movement, the operator presses the so ellipsis arrow button. I edge logic out. Can't the mind press on around the bend to consummate this vision of the deep? Or, so the second movement is questioning this opposition and the meaning of or, seeing if there's a deeper connection. We can proceed. You'll notice that the moving text accumulates layers of meaning in successive movements of the poem. So to proceed to the next layer of meaning, we can click maybe, but, ellipsis, arrow. You notice that each movement, like movements in a musical piece, present a different attitude or approach to this opposition between the words logic and faith. Even though there's only one button at the end of each movement, whether it's so or yet then, these phrases, combined with an ellipsis, create a kind of conversation between the operator and the poem. And in addition, this conversation is the pivot point for the poem's own discourse with itself. As if it presents something, we say, well, so, and then it gives another answer, or yet then, another answer yet. So it's not necessary to have multiple options for this kind of interactivity to be a key part of a very interesting work.